Good guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Joe and so easy vlogs and kind of video phone. So want to know for the follow me in and find my IG, my TikTok, my Instagram, yeah, I did it. So want to this video is not edited. This video is not edited guys, this video is not one again. Hold on. Yeah, someone say this video is not edited. This video not edited guys, so today I'm going to talk about something for, for clear the ear. The video not edited. That some say not edited, not. Yeah. If you want to watch it, yeah, you can watch it. But yeah, the legendary lscoo, that's a YouTuber, come to talk about. No one know at first, but come to talk about that. Want to bring my condolence to the legendary lscoo. Want you know, in the comment section say want come in the comment section and say condolence to legendary lscoo. This is a YouTuber. She's a famous YouTuber, of course. She has so much subscribers and so much views. Yeah, and TikTok. She's famous on TikTok as well. Yeah, so famous on TikTok. This on YouTube. She have 10 point. But when you what is anytime you see a YouTuber down, then run come over, come say condolence to. You try to put the girl from morning. Come on, man. But you come clear the ear by the ring with that to me say. So me I say, I bring my condolence to legendary lscoo. Me have the video can posted. If you can take them back by YouTube cause YouTube will give you a problem for one day and me I try solve out with YouTube. Yeah, I try solve out with YouTube issues. Yeah, so me don't know if this can be posted on my channel. And if you see take down back, maybe YouTube take it down and me take it down guys. Me not bring no farmer things from my channel for people to talk about my channel. So get that straight. Alright? Get that straight people. Get that straight. Me I pay to know. Get that straight. You know YouTube go bring that bad energy to me. Bring that bad energy to me. No time at all. But more say the condolence to this YouTuber. All influence is going down now and this is not good. Lex the best and Ali and lscoo. 3 persons are now our influencers man. Jamaica, come make a better country man. Come on. Better place man, better society. Yeah. So as me I say probably this video gonna take down soon. When I post this video this video not edited. Like I say, just a random post from my channel. Yeah. And yeah, me have video come soon. So now you have to just stay tuned. Me have video come soon. Just stay tuned. Watch the full video to the end. Realize now watch the full video to the end. Yeah. Probably no care the camera stays because the sunlight tonight. So me I say watch full video to the end please. My realize you watch full video to the end. But guys, thank with 20 views man. We are going to 100 on our video so support I turn up man. Support I turn up. So support me again. Get me to 1K subscribers. Camera real free. And guys, me have some public prank in mind. I'm gonna do. So just stay tuned and watch the full video to the end man. Yeah. Yeah, and also now look out for some videos by me. Probably this video gonna take down soon. Yeah, so I'm gonna post some more videos on the channel. Yeah. I'm soon be like next channel. Just want your feelings for the one yeah. Yeah. Back next channel. And you realize we're not active on nothing at all. We're active on Instagram. We're active on YouTube. More active on Instagram. One do a TikTok video right now. Active up myself some day back. I gone away. Yeah. So yo, subscribe. Vlog Nation. Oh.